Welcome to Dawn of Cooking. It's December, the month of baking, and in today's video, we're going to be making a heart-healthy, low-cholesterol gingerbread cookie. Everything in these cookies are very healthy for you. There's no guilt here, so come along with me and let's get started. I will be putting up a recipe card for all the measurements today for this video. So this was whole wheat flour. It was a organic Bob's Red Mill. Now I mixed all the spices together. Salt. Now instead of an egg, I mixed together a tablespoon of flax seeds and 3 tablespoons of water, or you can use an egg replacer. Applesauce. Molasses, maple syrup, vanilla, and I used almond milk, but you can use whatever kind of milk you want. If your dough seems a little too sticky, add a little more flour. I just sprinkled on a little more and mixed it in, and now it seems pretty good. So now I'm going to put it outside. Now you're supposed to chill the dough before you cut it out. So in Alaska, it's really cold out here, and so instead of putting it in the refrigerator, I'm going to set it outside. The dough's all chilled, and I'm just going to roll it out really quick for cutting them out. Now I'm icing these cookies really quickly. I put 1 cup of sifted powdered sugar into a bowl and added 1 tablespoon of cold water. And then I mixed it up, and you want it to be a nice drizzling consistency. So I added 1 more teaspoon, kept stirring, it's nice and smooth. And then I put it into one of these little snack bag, Ziploc bags, and cut a little tiny corner out of the end. And it works perfectly for icing the cookies. Hope this video inspired you to get started on some of your Christmas holiday baking. These are a little healthier than some of the ones that you can get from the store, and also make at home, even though they do have a little frosting on them, but they were not made with a lot of butter or a lot of sugar. So these should be a little bit healthier for you if you're trying to stay on a healthier diet. So leave me a comment down below and let me know how you guys are doing. I'll put up a recipe card on the end of this video so that you can catch the recipe, and also another video that you might like to see at the end. So till next time, happy cooking, and I will see you in the next video.